Hi everyone, this video is going to be about replacing the climate control on what this vehicle would be is a 2019 GMC Acadia Denali. Lights don't light up. Started off with one, then it was two, now it's four. So what we've got is a replacement here, and I'll link part number down in the description. First step of this, you're going to need to pull off this trim piece right here. Easiest thing to do that I found, get yourself a plastic tool, start up here at the corner, work yourself down, and then kind of give it a twist. This whole left side popped off after that, and then on the right hand side, you're able to just remove it. Next step up, you'll see that there's two 7mm screws on each side. Go ahead and pop those off. Okay, now what you're also going to need to do is pop out these two top screws up here. As you can see from looking at this unit itself with the replacement unit, there is a cover on the front of it, and in other vehicles that are made around the same time, like the Silverado, other GM and Chevy vehicles, this climate control unit right here is actually attached to this infotainment. What you're going to do is by popping out all of these four screws out, the whole thing's going to pop out, and then what you'll need to do is work behind it and disconnect everything that attaches itself to the car, whether that be an electrical connection. That way you can pull off the entire unit. You'll be able to turn it around, and then there are little clips you can see that go all the way around this. This clips into this unit here itself, and in order to do that, you're going to have to disconnect it, like I said, basically this whole thing from the car. All right, now as you'll pull this thing off the car, literally just four clips holding it on, you can see as you get behind here, you've got one connection, two connections to the head unit, one connection to the climate control itself, all the way down there at the bottom. So climate control, one and two connections for the head unit. So what you'll need to do is pop all those off. All right, once you've got the unit disconnected from the car, what you essentially need to do is there's just a few clips that are holding this in here. And all you need to do is just kind of lift one up, work your way around, lift the other one up. So once you get to that point, you're going to pop all of these clips off that surround the unit itself. There's quite a few of them, go all the way around. Once you pop them out, pull out your bad unit, take your new one, make sure you put it in the correct orientation. Should be pretty hard to mess up. You're simply going to line it up, click it in. Now it's secure. You essentially just reverse this process, which again is taking these three wires, plugging them into the back of the head unit, clipping it back in, and then taking your trim, installing that on top of it. All right, and then to verify everything's complete, simply go ahead and open your door, and you'll see all your lights are working. Telelink ready to fire up, and in all honesty, this is probably one of the easiest climate control repairs that you can make on a vehicle. If you've got a nice little plastic trim tool and a decent light, this repair should take you no more than 5 minutes in all reality. That'll probably take me longer to go back and edit this video and make it than it would to do this actual repair. So part number will be in the link. Have a great day.